Hey developers, how's it going? In this video, you'll learn about everything you need to know about the data structures, and we'll be going to speak about what is the data structure and what are the type of data structures, okay? And also we're going to see implementation in Python, okay? And okay, what is data structure? Data structure in computer science is a storage format, okay? You know, we are just formatting our data using one of the type of data structure, and we are just storing it, okay? And you might be interested in why we need to format our data, okay? And why we cannot easily store it directly without any formatting. And for the answer, no. And we need to format our data for accessing easily and for writing easily, and for creating scalable and maintainable software product. We need to know about the data structure, okay? And especially in data structure, we have two type of data structures, which is the primitive, and you can see here primitive, and I have a non-primitive, okay? And a primitive data structure is a very simple data structure. It's very basic, and if you know one of the programming language, you are all familiar with this. Okay, you have numbers, which are the integer and the float, and you have a string, characters, okay, and you have a boolean. And in this video, we'll be going to speak about which is the non-primitive data structures, and which are divided to linear and non-linear. And on the linear side, we have, you can see here, we have arrays and a linked list and a stack and a queue and hash tables. And these hash tables are, can be in linear and can be non-linear. Commonly, we're going to use hash table in the linear side, okay? And you can see here also we have a non-linear data structures, and we have trees and graphs, okay? And each of the we'll be deep in dive each of the type of data structure, and we're going to see implementation in Python, okay? And this is all about data structures and what is it and each type, okay? And if you are ready, let's get started.